હું આજે જીતીને આવી.
अजमा जीतनम.
सारे नक्षत्र ग्रह सब मेरे फेवर में है. आज तो मुझे पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस है कि मेरी टीम ही जीतने वाली है.
Let's see how much your nakshatras and grays favor you.
तुम दोनों को देखकर it feels like your kids are out there.
पता नहीं क्या हुआ, the jut attitude got the better of me और क्या, but I just went in.
I'm a Sindhi, so it's in my blood, and I play stock market too.
People have a lot of money, so they start bullying you.
लोगों को लगता है कि when you come from a very affluent family and if you have the money, then only you can play poker. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Just like any other sport, if you have the fire, if you have the skill, doesn't matter कि आपका background क्या है. You just have to have the passion for the sport. Hi and welcome back to the Player Hunt brought to you by Poker High. यहाँ देश के अलग-अलग हिस्सों, अलग-अलग कोनों से लोग आए हैं. ऐसे लोग जिनमें जीतने का जज्बा है, जुनून है और जिंदगी के खेल में भी बढ़िया स्कोर बना रहे हैं. Or should I say they play to their best with the cards life deals out. Today, 4 more players will battle it out for the title of the player. And today, we talk about A from player. A for attitude. Let me now call the mentors of the show who pretty much exemplify swag and attitude. Please welcome Nibita Pal and Harman Singha.
I'm very confident that both my team members are going to win today because in poker and in life, every day is my day.
I really don't think that's going to happen because my guys are definitely going to beat yours.
All the best. We'll see.
Guys, वो सब तो ठीक है पर आज बात चल रही है attitude की. So tell me about that one attitude that you use in poker and life that works for you. This is a masterclass, guys. Listen in.
So for me, my attitude in life and poker is patience. I've always believed that patience always pays off. 3 years ago, when I came to Mumbai with no acting background, I kept reassuring myself that if I stay consistent with my efforts and stay patient, that I'm gonna land something very good. And I did when I bagged my first web series, Class of 2020, just this year.
Maybe I don't know about life, but my attitude is to take calculated risks in life. When I was 20 years old, I had just decided to leave the Merchant Navy. I gave myself 1 year in the media to intern, to write, to work as an assistant director, to find a script, to work, to do anything. I gave myself a year because after that I had an option to go back to the Merchant Navy. But touch wood, that was 11 years back and I'm very happy to do what I do. I write, I act, I host. But I knew at the back of my mind that there was still another option. I could go back to a very stable, good salary job, which was the Merchant Navy. So I took a calculated risk which worked for me.
Well, to each his own is what I would say. Today, let me tell you about a poker term, community cards. हर contestant के पास खुद के 2 cards होते हैं. Cards that are dealt face up in the center of the table, which are available for all the players to use in the making of their hand, are called community cards. Why am I explaining this to you? Because the aim of the Player Hunt is to start a huge poker community in India. Okay, back to the show, guys. Mentors, who are the contestants playing today?
So today we have Sarthak from Dude Devils and Harsh from Big Dreamers.
Today I've got Priyanshi from Rule Breakers and Barkha from Girl Power.
Let's find out their take on attitude. और आज बात चल रही है attitude की. What attitude works for you in your life and in poker?
Well, I wanted to get into the theatre circuit in Mumbai, and I used to hang out at Prithvi Theatre a lot. It's in the 11th grade. So I just used to hang out, talk to people, watch plays. एक दिन मतलब people knew my face, so I wanted to go to the backstage. हमेशा मैं audience में बैठता था और मुझे backstage देखना था. So एक play चल रहा था and I just went in. पता नहीं क्या हुआ, the jut attitude got the better of me और क्या, but I just went in. And I started hanging around weirdly in the backstage area and production चालू है, play start होने वाला था, setup हो रहा है. And this lady comes in and asks me कि आप ही जिनको भेजा गया है. I can't take the director's name, but I was like, हाँ उन्होंने ही भेजा है मुझे. And she said, oh great, and that's how she included me in the group, and I started working in Prithvi Theatre like that. That was my first work as a production person there. Basically saying like I see people sitting there smoking cigarettes, just talking and doing nothing. So it's better to do something. By poker group अपना काम करना आना चाहिए.
That's like something that happens in movies. You see that the guy goes and he just enters the green room and suddenly it's अरे चलो चलो तैयार हो जाओ और सीधा stage पे. Well done, man. I'm glad that you're doing something that you love.
जब ऐसे लगे कि हाँ जब पानी सर के ऊपर जा रहा है then I always speak up for myself.
Does it work in poker? What is your attitude in poker?
I always play patiently. कि I don't want to take risks. पहले starting में I will just observe what the other players are playing. Are they bluffing or not? And I always make sure कि end तक I will at least top 2 तक I will stay.
I hope the mentors are taking notes of the attitudes of their players so that they can use it in their favor. Thank you so much.
One positive thing that I've learned and I'm still learning over the time is time management. And I believe in the idea that you can pursue one thing, more than one thing at a time. If you have something you're passionate about and you have a heart in it, you can pursue it. Which is why as a person, I pack as many things I can in a day so that I don't go one day without missing out on something I really want to do and do in my life.
Well done. और poker में ये काम आता है क्या?
You need to understand what is happening. So this probably in the slightest way does help there. But again, the most important thing is patience, to have that faith that you are going to go through it in the next round. That helps in poker.
Mentors, मुझे एक ऐसा pattern दिख रहा है कि जितने भी हमारे contestants हैं, they have a attitude in life, but when it comes to poker, they have a different kind of technique which involves patience. हर कोई ये बोल रहा है कि मैं लाइफ में ये करना चाहता हूँ, ये मेरा attitude है, लेकिन when it comes to poker, patience is definitely something that all of them are talking about.
I think patience is key in terms of everything. Yeah, it comes in handy obviously in life, but then in poker definitely I feel.
What is your attitude in life and in poker?
So attitude helped me once. My principal disliked me for some reason. And I never let that affect me in any way. So I won every event that was organized, and slowly she started using her influence by removing me from the band, from the school drama, and every form of performing arts. So overall, once on the annual day, we were ready to perform, and 10 minutes before the performance, she came and refrained us from getting onto the stage. So this was a big insult. I couldn't forget that. And then what I did was I started performing individually without the school name. So then finally one day she had to award me in front of the whole school for Indian Idol Junior. And I think that was a great achievement.
Does this work for you in poker?
People have a lot of money, so they start bullying you. When your chips are a bit low, people with higher chips start bullying you. But then again, if you know how to play the game and your cards are better than theirs, so you keep your ground and you show them, yeah, I can call you all in, whatever you want, and you take the winning pair.
अरे भाई आज का जो एपिसोड है क्या स्टूडेंट स्पेशल है क्या? Barka has worked for just a few years, and Sarthak, Priyanshi, and Harsh are all studying. Guys, whatever it is, play responsibly. Let me tell you what happened to a guy who didn't. The guy's name was Andrei Karpov. Back in 2007, he was so desperate to stay in a poker game, he put his wife Tatiana up as a stake after he'd run out of money. He then lost. She was so angry, she left him for the winner. Thankfully, no one today is married.
आज तो मुझे पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस है कि मेरी टीम ही जीतने वाली है. All the stars, everything is inclined today. सारे नक्षत्र ग्रह सब मेरे फेवर में है. We're going to definitely win today.
Let's see how much your nakshatras and grays favor you. Okay, so Mr. Harman Singha, with your permission, can I please go and talk to my team?
Of course. तुम्हारी टीम को तुम्हारी जरूरत है because it's going to be a very tough day for you.
Right. So you can please leave now. Thank you. Hi guys. So I hope you guys are all set for the game today.
Yes, Nivi.
Perfect. So Sarthak, I guess after seeing your video, I have one piece of advice for you. I would like to tell you that don't let your ego kick in. Keep your cool on the poker table. And yeah, I'm sure you guys love the game.
Yes. I like the game. And initially I thought that this was like Teen Patti. But then I realized, oh no, this is a little different. And I started liking the game more and more as soon as I practiced.
So yeah, I know it's a steep learning, but I know that you've been regularly playing and upping your game. So good on you for that. Or Mr. Engineer Harsh, आपका क्या कहना है?
I got hooked after I saw the film Casino Royale, the James Bond film, and even Amir Khan is a pro poker player. So that's when I started playing poker regularly.
Amir Khan plays poker, so does Hrithik Roshan, and of course our very own Ranvijay Singh. But you please don't play recklessly and don't go overboard.
Hi guys, hi Priyanshi, hi Barkha.
Hi.
I hope you ladies are all set to defeat the boys today. You know, poker as a game helps you understand numbers, and that can help you in everything, in poker, in life, and almost everything you do. So keep this in mind today while you go out to defeat the boys.
I'm a Sindhi, so it's in my blood, and I play stock market too.
वाह रे मेरे सिंधी blood. अब सिंधी में बोल के दिखाओ. Are you going to win today?
अजमा जीतनम.
Woo! और चलो प्रियांशी अब गुजराती में हो जाए एक बार.
वो आज जीती ने आ गई.
That sounds amazing, guys. I'm loving the positive attitude. Make sure you're focused, be patient, and remember, numbers are very important. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
तुम दोनों को देखकर it feels like your kids are out there.
You know what? ऐसा लग रहा है कि उसी की प्रैक्टिस चल रही है यहाँ पे.
You know, मेरे साथ भी यही होता है. जब मैं अपनी डॉटर को बाहर कुछ सिखाता हूँ when we're playing in the park, एक बार सिखा दिया उसके बाद you got to just step back, you know, and you have to let them do it on their own.
Ladies and gentlemen, here come the hole cards. Harsh Nahar with a dominating chip position. And first to act, he has Queen of Hearts and 5 of Clubs. He calls the big blind. Barkha has a pair of 3s, a spade and a heart. She limps in 2. Priyanshi on the small blind is all in. She has the shortest stack but a good hand, Ace of Spades and Jack of Hearts. Sarthak has a king and 7 of diamonds. Sarthak checks his big blind. So we go 4-way here. Flop is 6 of spades, Jack of spades, 4 of diamonds, 2 spades in the flop. This is a good flop for Ace and Jack with Priyanshi. She must feel good about her hand. Everybody else missed. Check, check, check. Usually in a tourney when a player is all in, players may tend to check it all the way down, especially if they have weak cards. No merit in taking a stab at the pot with nothing. It checks around to Barkha with all over cards. She checks it too. Turn, a 7 of spades. That hits Sarthak. However, with the Jack out there, he plays it conservatively and checks. Everyone else checks too. River is king of clubs. Sarthak rivers the king. If Sarthak doesn't fold, Priyanshi will be eliminated. Action on Sarthak. He checks. No idea why he checked there with his 2 pair. Everyone checks. Sarthak takes the pot. Priyanshi is eliminated. Now with the last 3 of which 2 will stay on for the semi-finals. Harsh has a measly 3 of spades and 4 of clubs. He folds. It's now between Barkha and Sarthak. Action on Barkha. She has a premium hand. Ace of hearts and king of clubs. But like she's been doing, she limps in again, disguising the strength of her hand. Sarthak has a decent hand from the big blind, a 10 of hearts and jack of clubs. He plays it conservatively too. He checks back to Barkha. The flop is open, 8 of clubs, 10 of clubs, ace of diamonds. That is a horrible flop for Sarthak. His pair of 10s is crushed by the ace king of Barkha. Barkha bets her ace pair and gets Sarthak to call off his stack. All in. Sarthak is all in and very behind. Turn is a king of spades. Barkha improves her hand. Sarthak must hit a 10 or a queen and is down to the last card. The river is an 8 of hearts, an inconsequential card in the scheme of things. And Sarthak is eliminated too. Harsh and Barkha make the cut.
Priyanshi, आपके पास full house था. You had ace and I think something else of hearts, but in that round you didn't even bid once. You were just checking, and you would have won that one. And
yeah, so
ज़्यादा patience हो गई.
I think I started it well, and then so Barkha was next to me and she started betting, and I kind of got panicked because of that. So I was always aiming for like a pair of 2, which is what my safe play was. So most of the rounds that I won also were like maybe a pair of 2.
Harman sir,
It has to be a little bit of a little more offensive attitude. ये बिल्कुल आप defense पे चले गई थी because you were not betting, and in poker if you're not playing you can stay there for a while, but as long as you're playing the right hands, that's important. You can be very patient, but you need to play the hands. You have to play the right hand.
Which brings me to Harsh. शुरू में ही आप आगे निकल गए थे, which is good. But you know, उसके बाद सार्थक and Barkha के बीच में was the real battle. But Barkha, man, you played well. बीच में you're winning games even from Harsh. And Harsh, because he had the initial lead, the chips, so you know he maintained. But otherwise, Barkha, I was really impressed with your gameplay. And in the end, of course, wiped him out with ace and king, full movie style, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, अगर ये live game होता, तो he would have, because he was all in here on the minimum chips. He would have thrown his cards. You would have thrown your ace and king in slow motion. That was good. How does it feel?
Great. I mean, starting mein I was thinking that, you know, Priyanshi was playing very well, so I thought she might just win, but game just changes in the end.
Harsh, इसमें in rounds में first और second से फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, but actually you had the maximum number of chips. What would you say about your own game today?
Right. So I in the start only I set this limit. I can, you know, test किस type के person कौन है, थोड़ा psychologically. So I realized Priyanshi is playing well. She doesn't know how to bluff. She's playing her cards really well if she's getting the right cards. So ऐसे 5-6 games में ये थोड़ा समझ में आया. And in the start I was playing ऐसे recklessly. So as soon as I came down to 3,000 chips, that's when I realized that enough of this. Now I need to play the proper game. And then I think there was one particular game between me, Barkha and Sarthak, and that's when I got the maximum stash. And I kept going, kept folding again and again to stay in the game alive. And I let Barkha and the rest of them battle. So, okay.
Good strategy. Sarthak, there was 4 of a kind on the table, and the other 2 split the pot, but you folded. Why?
I didn't understand what to do at that time. Like, क्योंकि मेरे पास बहुत ही कम coins हो गए थे, उसमें मैं थोड़ा पैनिक भी हो गया था कि यार I don't want to go out very early.
उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है because 4 of a kind, that's the highest anybody can get in that hand, and it would have been split between the 3 of you. You just folded, and the 2 of them got to like enjoy the spoils of
pot.
Yeah, why? I mean, it was for all of you to just split the pot, but you just folded and they got half.
I have a great feeling about Barkha, guys. She's a new age player. She works hard and plays hard. And she's got just an amazing energy. The way she ended the day today was fantastic.
You know, Harman, for once, I actually agree with you. You know, Harsh is, I feel, pretty self-made. And despite just being like an engineering student, he plays poker so well.
लोगों को लगता है कि when you come from a very affluent family and if you have the money, then only you can play poker. ऐसा नहीं होता. Just like any other sport, if you have the fire, if you have the skill, doesn't matter कि आपका background क्या है. You just have to have the passion for the sport, and Barkha has it, and I can see that, and she's playing so well. And when it comes about, and when we talk about Harsh, I mean, he's an engineering student. He plays really well. I think जो उसकी analytical thinking है, he uses that both, I think, in his engineering and poker also. Hopefully, mentors, you had fun today. Thanks a lot. Stay safe.
Thank you so much, Ranjit.
Thank you so much.
Harsh and Barkha are in. Sarthak and Priyanshi are out for now. You can get them back with your votes and also win goodies for yourself. Check out the Player Hunt page on pokerhigh.com. Keep voting and winning. Now, let me tell you about Maria Konnikova. She is a New York Times best-selling author, journalist, and a professional poker player. She was researching for her latest book, The Biggest Bluff, and met some professional poker players. She learned the game and now believes poker helps her negotiate better as an author. She thinks poker should be a subject taught in schools across the world. Sounds super cool to me. Till next time, stay home, stay safe, and remember, play responsibly, India.
Competition तो अभी चालू हुआ है. अब असली पत्ते जो हैं वो बिछने वाले हैं. Let's call in our top 6.
Poker is not only a game, it's I have already started using it in my life.
Poker is a game which is purely skill, both from a legal perspective as well as from a practical perspective.
Are you ready for poker का punch?
जितनी वकार और जितने भी हमारे टॉप प्लेयर्स हैं, आप लोगों का पत्ता हम काटेंगे।
अनुपमा वापस आ गई तुम, इतनी मुश्किल से निकाला था तुम्हें हमने।
आप जो अफोर्ड कर सकते हो लूज करने को, उसी से खेलो, उसी स्टेक्स पे खेलो।
Whenever you play any World Series, आपके नाम के बाजू में आपका कंट्री का नाम होता है।
और हमारे कंटेस्टेंट्स के लिए एक तगड़ा सा ट्विस्ट भी है।